In this video, I'm going to show you how to write an equation for a linear function when you're given a word problem. So I have an example word problem here. Happy Horses charges a $20 flat fee plus $10 per hour for horseback riding. Now, how would I turn that into a linear equation? I know my equation is going to have to be in the form y equals mx plus b. Because that's the form of a linear equation. So now I need to look through my word problem and find out like what numbers do I know and where can I put them into my equation. So I know I have a $20 flat fee and I know I have a $10 per hour charge. In a word problem, a flat fee is the starting rate. Like that's what you would have to pay even if you don't rack up any additional charges for whatever reason. So my starting rate, my starting point is going to be my b, my y-intercept. So I know I'm going to have 20 for b. The $10 per hour, usually a big clue here is if you have the word per in your problem, that tells you that you're going to be increasing by a steady amount if you are going to be racking up any additional charges in this kind of situation, and that would be your slope. So my m, my slope, my rate of change would be 10. And then I still have y equals 10x plus b, because for any y and any x, my rate of change will be 10 and my y-intercept will be 20. Another example of that is on the back here. A gym, Superfit Gym, charges its members, again, a one-time application fee. So like I said on the back, that would be our y-intercept, or our b. And in this case, I flip-flopped. I used the commutative property, and I wrote a y equals b plus mx equation. So now what is that m? What is that slope? I'm going to keep reading. Members then pay per visit. There's my magic word, per. Each visit costs $12. So my m is going to be 12. That makes my equation y equals 95 plus 12x. Now if you notice, continue reading, let C equal total cost and N equal number of visits. Sometimes you'll see this in problems. They tell you which variables you want to use. They want you to use. So I'm just going to rewrite this using the variables that they told me to use. If C is the total cost, that's going to take the place of my Y, my dependent variable. And my number of visits is what's changing, what I can control. And so that would be taking the place of my x, my dependent variable. So my equation would be 95 plus, C equals 95 plus 12n.